Today I'll be presenting bioplastics, manufacturing process and applications. What is bioplastics? Bioplastics are plastic materials produced from renewable biological sources designed to reduce reliance on fossil fuels, in some cases to be biodegradable. Bioplastics are produced from renewable biomass sources such as corn, sugarcane, cassava, starch, cellulose, or microorganisms like bacteria. These are the most widely types of bioplastics. Today, we'll be focusing on polylactic acid, PLA, which are made from sugar crops like corn, sugarcane, and commonly used in packaging, disposable cutlery, and compostable bags. The reason bioplastics are used is to reduce dependence on fossil fuels and to mitigate environmental pollution caused by conventional plastics. They can help address issues like waste accumulation in oceans and landfills, which harm wildlife and ecosystems. Some bioplastics are designed to decompose under industrial composting conditions, offering a more sustainable option. Manufacturing process. First, the bioplastic needs to be refined, so raw materials begin with the use of renewable biological materials such as cornstarch, sugarcane, cassava, and vegetable oils. These raw materials are processed to extract sugars and starches that can be used to produce bioplastic polymers. Example: corn is milled and processed to produce glucose. Once the sugars are converted through fermentation into compounds such as lactic acid, the lactic acid is then chemically processed into polymer called polylactic acid, one of the most common bioplastics. Then the PLA pellets are melted and shaped using common plastic manufacturing methods such as injection molding, extrusion, blow molding, and thermoforming. An example finished product using PLA: the disposable cup. Corn is starched into glucose. Glucose is fermented into lactic acid. Lactic acid is converted into PLA resins or pellets, and the pellets are used to be thermoformed into cups. In conclusion, bioplastics can provide a sustainable alternative to conventional petroleum-based plastics. Their manufacturing process begins with the renewable sources such as corn, sugarcane, and involves refining, polymer formation, fabrication, conditioning, and finishing. One common example of PLA is disposable cups, which demonstrate how biological materials can be transformed into useful products while reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Challenges, sustainability, and future outlook of bioplastics. The key challenges are higher production costs compared to conventional petroleum-based plastics, limited industrial composting facilities in many regions. Some bioplastics require specific composting conditions and may not be biodegradable quickly in landfills or oceans. Competition for agricultural resources such as corn, sugarcane, foods, and farmland are the key problems. The future outlook is looking better. Research is improving the strength, durability, and biodegradability of bioplastics. Growing consumer demand for the sustainable packaging is increasing adoption. Government and business are investing more in bio-based materials and initiatives. The future of bioplastics may be produced from agricultural waste, algae, and other non-food biomass, making them more sustainable. These are references and resources used. Nature Works, how PLA is made. U.S. Department of Energy, and also Plastics Industry Association, biomass manufacturing processes, and also used AI from Microsoft ChatGPT Copilot, large language model. Thank you. Have a great day.